Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am in Springfield, Illinois now. About to do sound check, man. It's your boy Pleasure Ellis. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep God first. But also make sure you try to do something every day to better your life. Do something every single day to better your life. Don't sit still. Do not sit still. Please, I'm begging you, do not sit still and be lazy. Alright? Pleasure Ellis, y'all. Let's go downstairs. Try to better your life every single day. Alright? Let's go. Sound check. What's going on? Flip on flip again. Yes, sir.
Oh, no.
Battle of the flips.
Battle of the flip. I'm so forward now, can't you talk?
That's right.
That's right. Boom. Boom. Boom.
That's right.
That's how we do it.
That's how we do it.
What did you leave? Don't say your phone.
That's how we do it. Can't you see inside his flip? I can see him looking at me.
See, it has a hurt heat.
Yep. He's looking at me. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Gotta be over here. Yo, it's Pleasure Ellis, y'all. Behind the rule right here, y'all. You know, we're going down. After the sound check, what it is. And I'm just going back to the room now before the show. Alright, y'all. Man, let's scare the cameras, man.
You see that, man? We need to take a picture of this over here. You see that? You see that? See this over here? You know what I'm saying, man?
Wait a minute.